Human mind is probably the most complex object in the universe, having more connections than stars in the universe. A simple flaw in such a complex system can have far-reaching consequences if left unchecked, and the flaw itself is difficult to rectify in such a complicated system. Although many people debate about the causes of mental illness and some even question their existence.
Environmental factors of mental illness. The first one is feeling of anxiety, low self-esteem, anger, and loneliness. Social or cultural expectations. For example, society it associates beauty with illness, which can be a factor of development of eating disorder. Third one is age.
The primary cause of many mental illnesses, according to Thomas Sachs, one of the most innovative psychiatrists of the last century, is the use of poor linguistics to convey your inner psyche. He argues that the so-called mental illnesses are generally life's problems manifesting their consequences in unwanted ways. He says that the use of poor linguistics and articulation to convey your inner grievances isolates you from the mechanisms by which most people cope with life's challenges. He says that although this inability may seem ordinary at first, this can lead to significant deviation from normal psychological behavior. Now, coming to the biological factors that can cause mental illness, some of them are genetic disorder or family history of mental illness, exposure to toxins or substance abuse, and principally, brain or nervous system defects from birth.
Apart from internal issues that lead to mental illness, there are also social issues. Let's look at some of the psychological causes. First, your life experiences, such as history of abuse or terrifying situations, particularly if they occurred when you were a youngster. Secondly, continuous stress in life is primarily observed among millennials, owing to many factors such as unemployment, things that we do not want in our lives, fear of rejection, studies, and many more, depending on individuals' conditions.